just want to try something, guys. Let's see what happens. So guys, I just got it down to just about fits in there, which is nice. So guys, after a lot of messing about and trying to design this and everything else, finally got it going. As you can see, the coil is down there and the switch is up there, the hall sensor is up there, but it still works on 6 volts, which is not what I want. I'm still using the same circuit there. I want to try and see if I can make this work on 1.5 volts. So guys, I connected the transistors like this. I'm using these 2 transistors, and I tried it here and it didn't really work, because obviously you got a flashing circuit now and not really strobe kind of thing. But let me just show you what happens. So I tried to make it work with 1.5 volts. That didn't work, I'm afraid. And so what I've done is I put 3 volts through there and it's still not working. So if I put to 6 volts, then it tries to work. See, it's going back and forth. And that's telling me that this is actually working. So I'm taking this off here. Now we can see it working, but because we've got a flashing circuit now, so it's flashing at the particular interval, and I've got 3 magnets, not 4 on this one. So yeah, it does work at 6 volts, which is not what I'm trying to achieve, but there you go guys. So I thought I'd show it to you. I was hoping that it would actually work on 1.5 volts, but I'm going to have to redo some things. Toothpick, one of my subscribers, did tell me how I think lid motor or somebody did it, but I'm going to have to investigate. So this simple setup here with the magnets and the coil, when you spin it, it becomes a generator, as you can see from there. I don't know if you can see that.
Thank you.